Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool material right here, and basically what this is a 2-tier cabinet basket drawer organizer. So definitely organize your stuff inside right here, and it gives you guys the option to pull it in and out if you guys want to as well. And then for this product, they actually have it in many different colors options. So whether you guys want like the silver one, the black one, gray one, or whatever, that is up to you guys. The one that we got right here is the silver one, and it's from the brand called SimpleHouseware. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. And if you guys look at the inside right there, there's some more accessories as well that you can use to mount up the product. So let's take everything out to show you guys what it actually looks like and what's actually included inside first. Alright, so here are a bunch of screws and mounting accessories that you use to mount up the product. Right here are a bunch of poles or sticks that you can use to actually set up the product as well. Right here is one of the baskets. And we got free material on here. It definitely feels like a high quality material. And then right here is basically everything else. So right here they do provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to install it. And then here is everything else for each different sections. So they basically provide you guys another basket right here. And then here are 2 other parts that you want to install in the bottom of each section. And that is basically everything that's included on the product. Let me cut this part right here and show you guys how to set it up. Right, so first thing you want to do is to set up the bottom part right here first. So we're going to need to open up this bag right here and take out these accessories right here first. So you basically want to take out this part right here and set it up on the bottom part on all 4 corners. So you basically want to mount it right there, and you want to do the same thing on all 4 corners. And that basically helps the product from like moving around when you guys set onto the table. So let's do the same thing for all the other corners as well. Alright, so we got all 4 of them on. So what we're doing now is to install the pole on each one of these corners right here. So let me actually open up this pole right here first. And basically the way how you guys install the pole is by putting it onto the hole right here. And then bottom part right here, you guys want to put the screw, which is the F screw in the bottom, and actually screw it on. Alright, so you just want to screw it in right here, as tight as you guys can. Once you guys have it on, this is basically actually looks like. So you basically want to do the same thing for all of them first. Alright, so once you guys screw it on, this is basically actually looks like right here. So if you guys don't have a screwdriver, it's fine. You guys can actually put the screws right here in the bottom, and you guys can actually put the pole right here. You basically want to put your finger right here, and you guys want to turn it while you guys have a finger right here, while you guys are pushing it. So that way it's actually screw it in as well. So that way I don't actually need to use a screwdriver for that option. But basically for the next part, we want to install this on top right here. You basically want to use the same screw, which is the F screw. So you basically want to screw on top right here on all 4 of these holes right here. It's going to be hard for me to show you guys in this angle, so I'm actually screw it on first. Alright, so you see that once we screw it on, this is basically actually looks like in the bottom part right here. So there's one here, one here, one here, and one right here. So once you guys finish this part, you guys want to put the basket on top. So instead of the bottom part right here and right here, they have this option right here where it's actually clip it on top right here. So basically you want to clip it inside right here on both sides. And once you guys clip it in, this is basically actually looks like right here. So if you guys go all the way back, that's the first thing go. If you guys pull it forward, that's the first thing go. Because of that clip part that we just put on right here, that prevents the product from sliding out this way or sliding out that way, which is pretty nice. Alright, so basically once you guys are finished setting up the product, this is what it actually looks like for the actual product right here. So if you guys want to put this onto a flat surface, then you basically can just put this anywhere. But if you guys want to actually screw it on somewhere, they do have the option in the back right here. So that way if you guys want to use the G screw, you can definitely mount that onto somewhere if you guys want to. But it's definitely not required. If you want to just use the product as is like this, you definitely can. So that way if you guys need to slide it in and out, you can definitely do that on here. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this down on the table and put the stuff in here to show you guys what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so see we have the product all set right here. If you can see, it definitely works really, really well. If you can see, you can definitely use like a fruit basket. So you actually put fruits on here. And you definitely have the option to pull it in and out if you guys want to like this. If you can see, even if you guys hang it out like that, it definitely has enough support to actually hold it in. And we have to ready to push it back in. Just simply go like that. Same thing for bottom as well. If you guys pull it all the way out, it definitely has a good support. If you can see, it will not fall. And when you guys are ready, you guys can push it back in. So just like that. So if you guys want to set this up like on a countertop, like how I have it right here, or if you guys want to put it in a cabinet, that is up to you guys. We can definitely see the product definitely works. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that it's a quick test of the product, definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. If you can see, the sliding basket definitely works really, really well. So whether you want to actually put this on your table, if you guys want to put this on your countertop, or even if you guys want to put this inside your cabinet, you can definitely use this however you guys want to. But I definitely love the fact of how it has a sliding option where you can actually pull it in and out. So that way actually give you guys easy access to take stuff out if you guys need to, and then push it back in when you guys don't need the product. And this is actually really cool because it actually help you guys save space when you guys actually use this, if you guys want to put this in your cabinet or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Not unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you want to keep everything all organized in like your cabinets or your countertop or whatever, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.